G'day, Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. Now, there's a question that people ask me all the time, which is, how long are my panels going to last? And I jokingly say, well, actually, no, the proper question is, what are the best panels? And then I jokingly answer, well, I'll tell you in 10 years, or 20, or 25, because you can't predict these things. You can't really tell from the marketing literature and the promotion of the product and all the spec sheets and the data that they give you, how long a panel's really going to last. Well, I'm going to show you. Behind me, now I'll just turn around, I'll be in the sun. These are Kyocera 125 watt panels. Now, I bought these over 20 years ago. I think close on 25 years. They are still working fine. They have no snail trails, no microcracks. They're just awesome. They were expensive, but so were all panels 25 years ago. So that's a thumbs up to Kyocera, their 125. But yesterday, we took off some Kyocera 175s, which have been on another roof for only 10 years. And I was really disappointed. To see that they've got loads of microcracks. Well, sorry, let's call them stale trails, but without closer investigation, they could be just delamination or they could actually be little burn marks on the fingers. But they're covered in them, every single panel. It's not a single fault. And they're only 10 years old. So there you go. And by the way, behind here are some Canadian solars with no imperfections at all. They're not quite so old. They're probably 5 years old, but there you go. 10 years, riddled with optical marks, which could be performance issues. We haven't tested it. Compared with the same brand from 25 years ago, no faults, no microcracking, been in the sun all that time. Pretty amazing, eh? Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. Check it.